Okay, well the first step to changing your drive belt is you got to get the wheel off, so 21mm on the wheel nuts, and make sure you have it supported well. There's our new belt, it's the Continental, and then there's 4 10mm fasteners up here, 3 along here and 1 up here. So it's actually kind of similar to a PT Cruiser. I'm just going to use my impact, and for this one up here I'm going to use this swivel so I can get at it. If you don't have a swivel, you'll probably have to use a hand tool, a ratchet or a wrench. Couldn't be easier. Just lifts right out of there. So here's our tensioner, and it looks like I just have to get on there and relieve the tension. That's maybe an 18, and I go check. And you want to note the routing of your belt, so maybe take a picture of it before you take it off. This one's pretty simple, and it's a good time to look for oil leaks. You can see I've got some on my front cover here, so that'll be a down the road thing. Okay, so it's actually a 19mm here, and you just turn it counterclockwise. So it is pretty stiff. You'll need a pretty good ratchet to get that off, but that's how you do it. Sorry about the background noise. As you can see, I went ahead and cleaned that all up with some brake clean, made sure there's no oil on any of the pulleys, and now I'm going to go ahead and put the belt in. Okay, so I've actually got it all routed just perfect, but at the top it's not hooked on the top pulley. So what I'm going to do, this is the pulley I want to put it on last. So I'm going to go hook the top one, take the tension off, and then hook it around here. So there we go. It's not exactly an easy one. There's a lot of pressure on there. But once you get it started over the lip here, it goes a lot easier. Now, for putting the cover back on, I would recommend a nut driver, a hand tool at least. Don't use your impact, you'll probably break the plastic if you do. Okay, well all that's left now is to put the wheel back on and torque it up to 80 foot-pounds. So thanks a lot for watching Matt's Garage. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day.